Here is something people rarely say out loud. A mature woman does not fall for pretty words anymore. She has heard compliments, read sweet messages, and sat through dinners where someone tried too hard. Words stopped impressing her long ago. What truly moves her is deeper. It is touch, but not careless touch. It is intentional, calm, and meaningful contact that speaks without saying anything at all. Not every touch works. The rushed, awkward kind does nothing. The kind seen in movies often feels fake. The kind that matters is slow and aware. It carries signals words cannot deliver, like safety, warmth, confidence, and quiet desire. Psychologists have studied this deeply. People can recognize emotions through simple touch alone. That alone shows how powerful the right contact can truly be in real-life situations. If you have ever wondered why some men connect easily while others struggle, this explains it. It is not about clever lines. It is about how presence is felt physically. A mature woman responds differently because she knows what she wants. She notices small details. Before learning these touches, understand something important. Some of them seem simple, obvious, yet they create reactions that are strong and unforgettable. The first touch is a gentle guide on her lower back. It sounds basic, but it is not. This area is filled with nerve endings linked to emotional centers in the brain. When your hand rests there slowly and naturally, it sends a signal of awareness. The key is pace and pressure. Too fast feels careless. Too strong feels controlling. Done right, it creates comfort and calm. A mature woman feels this deeply because she is used to handling everything alone. She has carried her own weight for years. When someone places a steady hand on her lower back, it communicates support without words. It quietly says she is not alone in that moment. That feeling can be more meaningful than grand gestures. It is subtle, but it stays with her far longer. The second touch is holding her hand with both of yours. Most people hold hands, but this is different. One hand is not enough here. When both hands wrap around hers, it creates a sense of full attention. Her mind reads this as presence and care. It feels grounding. It feels safe. It shows that you are not distracted. You are there with her completely. For a mature woman, this matters more than you might think. She has likely experienced moments where someone was physically there, but mentally somewhere else. That kind of distance leaves a mark. When you hold her hand with both of yours, it removes that distance. It tells her she matters in that moment. That kind of attention is rare, and she will notice it immediately. The third touch is resting your forehead gently against hers. It is simple yet deeply intimate. No words are needed here, just closeness and stillness. This kind of contact creates a quiet connection that feels real. It requires both people to slow down. It invites vulnerability. For someone who has built emotional walls, this feels like a soft and safe opening. This moment does not rush anything. It does not demand more. It simply exists. That is why it works. A mature woman understands the value of calm connection. When a man can stay present in that silence, it shows emotional strength. It shows comfort with closeness. That alone can create a powerful bond that words could never fully express or replace. The fourth touch is the back of the neck. This area is sensitive and personal. It is not something to rush into. When done at the right time, it creates both trust and attraction together. That combination is rare. The body reacts quickly to it, but timing matters. Without trust, it feels wrong. With trust, it feels natural and deeply connecting. The fifth touch is a slow thumb movement while holding her hand or resting near her. It is small and often unnoticed, yet very powerful. The rhythm of that movement signals comfort and care. It creates emotional closeness without effort because it feels natural. It does not seem forced. That is what makes it special. It feels real, not performed. The sixth touch is pulling her closer without saying anything. It is simple but meaningful. Closing that small distance shows desire for connection. It says you want her near you. For a mature woman, this can change everything. It removes the feeling of needing to earn closeness. It shows she is wanted just as she is, without conditions or effort. The final touch is a long, unhurried hug. Not quick, not casual, a real embrace that lasts. This kind of hug calms the body and mind. It lowers stress and builds emotional safety. It allows her to relax fully. For someone who has stayed strong for years, this moment can feel like relief. It is not about impressing her. It is about letting her rest. These touches are simple yet deeply meaningful. They do not require money or status. They require awareness and intention. A mature woman understands the difference between surface actions and real connection. When she feels something genuine, she recognizes it.